All right, so tip number 2, whenever you're doing the greenhouse, the hydroponic, whenever you're cutting out all your pipe and piecing them together for the 4-inch, it's much easier to build a jig to be able to do the stuff, keep everything straight. I should have done this earlier and did a video with it, but when I do the 3rd greenhouse, I will do a lot more in-depth, just pushing right now to get it done. So check it out. So what I did was built this jig right here. It's actually the same as one of the runs inside the greenhouse, and it fits real tight on the PVC fittings, like you can see right there. And what I do is I put the PVC fitting in there and work it down. That way everything is facing the same way. If it's off, it's very minimally off. Then when it's time to do the to draw the lines to be able to drill the holes straight, I put this board on the far end, set it in here like this. Pause it for a sec. So I put it in, and then I lift it up and come up, oh shoot, like that. It's a lot easier when they're not recording. And then you just push it through to the end. We'll get this piece back up. You just push it through to the end like that. Take it, let it set on top. You want a straight board that's not bowed or anything when you're doing this. And then you get the pipe pushed over. Because this is made for holding the outsides of the fittings, you want to chock it to make sure your pipe is pushed up against the edge of the board all the way to where everything is straight. If you don't chock it, it'll give you a wiggly line. Throw it off. But now you can see how. And then you just come along the edge, put your pencil flat, pull it, and you have a straight line all the way down. Just like that, a quick tip. Y'all have a good one. Y'all grow that later.